Hey friend, welcome to my channel, Cateyeglamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And today we have another press-on nail tutorial featuring my nails that are going to be launching with my company mid-November. I'll have links below in case you want to follow us on Instagram. That way you're ready for the launch. But girl, I'm ready to get my nails done. I've set the mood, we got our candles and everything, so let's get it started. Right now I'm just wetting my hands because I am going to use one of my scrubs. It's an emulsifying sugar scrub, so you do have to use it on wet skin. So I'm just wetting my skin and, you know, getting you in the mood or whatever, you know. So I'm using my personal scrub that I made, that's why it's not labeled. But this is actually our crushed pineapple scrub. So I'm just showing you how nice and bouncy the texture is. It's thick, it's not runny, it's not goopy, it doesn't fall apart, it stays pretty solid. And when you combine it onto your skin, it gives you it lathers into a lotion consistency, so it's really good at moisturizing and locking in moisture. It's a beautiful scrub and it smells even better. Girl, get you some. You'll be able to get some soon. I would say about mid-November, so definitely stay tuned for that. Normally, of course, I would rinse this off in the sink, but for the pleasure of the video, for the demonstration purposes, I'll do it right here in this little bowl. But it washes off so clean, and it also washes off clean in your tub. So you're not going to slip and bust your behind with these scrubs. I don't think so. Unless you're just clumsy. I don't know. Alright, so I'm just clipping away any excess nail. I just want to make less surface for the nail to stick to, because the more surface it has to bond to, the more likely you're going to have lifting. So go ahead and cut off any free edges, any excess nails, because you're not going to need it. You're going to have press-ons, and if you do need it, it'll just grow back. So just go ahead and clip, clip, clip. Do not avoid this step. Alright, so I'm just grabbing my teeny tiny filer. This actually comes in the kit that you guys are going to purchase if you purchase nails from me. The kit will have everything you need to do your set. So this is the nail filer, and I'm just buffing the surface so that way it has a little bit of a rough surface for the nails to adhere to, because it makes it stick better and it makes it stick longer. So definitely do this and don't avoid steps. Don't avoid any of the steps in these videos, okay? Alright, so definitely push those cuticles back, because you need that part to be pushed back, because that's where you're going to slide the press on, kind of like right under the cuticle. That way it looks as natural and as seamless as possible. This again will come in the kit if you decide to purchase nails from me. It'll have a cuticle pusher in the kit. Everything you need for a bomb set is going to be in the nail kits. So I'm just wiping off my nail bed with alcohol just to remove any excess oils, because if your nails are oily, I mean, obviously the glue will not stick for as long as you need it to. So I'm just making sure I take care of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just fit the nails. A lot of times I do have to file the sides to make it fit perfectly for me, because I like I like a bomb set, girl. So I file it to the T. So I just drop a dot of glue in the middle of the nail and I kind of spread it around. And I just go in, oops, that one fell. I just go in, slide it on, place it, and then hold it. Hold it for about 30 seconds before lifting, just to make sure it sticks perfectly. And these nails are pretty sculpted, so they have a bit of a curve in it. So you have to press down. That way the entire surface connects with the press on nail. So that's something you definitely have to make sure of. Now the name of this set is called Licorice. It is a coffin shape. This is considered medium. With these nails, in the nail bed area, it's very flexible where you can kind of press down, but the tips of these nails are very sturdy, just for, you know, reassurance that it doesn't break easily or anything like that. It's very sturdy at the tips of these nails. These nails are actually the bomb, to be honest with you. They're very glossy as well, as you can see. They look so wet and so just, ooh girl, a look, a look. The glue I'm using in this video is actually a kiss nail glue, because that's what I had on hand. In my kits, the glue isn't by my company at all. I bought them through a different company that has really good reviews, and I've been using the glue and I've been happy with it. So that will be included with the kit. So like I mentioned before, girl, everything you need to do your set is coming in this kit. Okay. These nails actually look brown on camera, but they're actually a deep burgundy color. So pretty. I've never worn dark nails before, but I love this set. They're so neat, and the shape is just, I love it. I love it. I really hope you guys love it too, which I think you will. Alright, so I'm just showing you that extra little tab at the end of the nail that you should definitely file down, because we don't want that there. So you definitely file that down with the filer that comes in the kit. Shape them. The set is almost done. Once I file them down, I am going to drop some oil on my hands, and you know, we have to top it off with the oil. So that's what's going to continue on, so just keep on watching. So I'm just massaging it in. And now, how easy was it to do that? Look how gorgeous these nails look. I typically keep my nails on, my set on, for about 2 weeks. Word of advice, if you ever have any of the nails and they lift, just take that nail off and replace it. If it lifts a little bit, just take it off all the way and replace it, because you don't want water and all that to get trapped in the nail. So just to prevent any problems, girl, I would say remove anything that you see lifting even a little bit. Go ahead and remove it and replace it, because the set comes with 24 nails, so you'll be able to replace any missing nails if you need to. But the set is gorgeous. The nails are very sturdy. I love them. They look, oh my god, just look, okay, just look. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Be sure to come back, comment, and definitely subscribe. I'll leave my business links below so you can follow my IG page, so when the launch is here, you're ready to receive these sets, because we got some bomb sets. We got sugar scrubs, lip glosses, lip scrubs, and some organic rose skincare items that you do not want to miss. So be sure to follow my business Instagram. And thanks so much for watching this video. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you want your nails to look like this. Bye guys.